Hello friends, today we are going to create resume. Let me tell you, today I am creating look-wise professional resume for you and I will show you live demonstration. Open Google Chrome, search Novoresume. I am not promote Novoresume but recommended. There you you can easily create your resume. You can click on first link, then sign in. Register first name and last name, your email ID. Click then register. I am already registered, so I am signing with the Google account. I am show you our resume. My resume is after signing. You choose resume template. There are many type, premium and non-premium. If you want to upload your image on resume, then choose this type templates. Otherwise, without image logo. I am choose with logo, image logo. I am already create a resume, so I am show you our resume. This is my resume. You can fill your name. Click on account setting. So you can fill your name, last name, date of birth, then your mail ID, phone number, country and city. If you want your social media link, you can choose social option, LinkedIn profile, Skype ID, Twitter ID, GitHub account, and then save. You can change image. You can add skills, personal projects, certificates, your education. If you are fresher, then you submit your projects, extra curriculum and presentation, your hobbies, language, and your certificates. If you can add more details, then cross second page, and second page is premium version. So you mind your resume is will be single page. Okay, after filling details, if you don't like this type templates, you can switch template. You can change. Okay, this is premium version. This is look wise good, and change other option. You can choose, there is many more options. This is free version. Okay, change. You can change according to your details, and after filling your details, then you can download your resume. Click on with download button. Okay friends, thank you.